control. Situation remains quite grim as both nations are firm on their demand, while India is adamant on complete disengagement from all friction points in Ladakh. Now, China continues to blame us for the border tensions. India has cleared its stand to Beijing already that both nations need to respect border agreement for peace and that China should stop violating the line of actual control norms. Now, remember, in the last 20 days, the line of actual control has seen at least 4 incidents of firing. The last face-off between the two nations took place on the 8th of September. Now, Gaurav, we understand that even as China has now been hesitating for military-level talks, they've been quite volatile along the line of actual control. What's their true intention? What does it seem China's intention here, Gaurav? Multiple incidents of them acting volatile, firing shots and intruding onto the Indian side. Here we're looking at Chinese there being so deceiving time and again, which is why they're probably shying away from a military level talk in that case.
So, Nabila, China has been caught out. You're absolutely right. When the Chinese army came in with 2 divisions, clearly this was very different from their incursions in the past. When they came up to their perception line, held that territory for some time, maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, a couple of months and went back. Except, of course, Depsang. Depsang is a separate story and we'll talk about it at length subsequently. But the Chinese intentions this time was to alter the line of actual control and push the Indian army back even further. That was challenged at Galwan, where 20 of our braves made the supreme sacrifice of their lives, forcing the Chinese to reassess. And then again, India waited 4 months for the Chinese to go back and then launched Operation Snow Leopard. Now, Operation Snow Leopard is a top secret military operation under which Indian army went and occupied, took control of some very crucial unheld tactical heights with strategic ramifications on our side of the line of actual control, but overlooking the Chinese garrison at Moldo. That has unnerved China. After that, China appears to be recalibrating its moves. It did not anticipate India's strong response, and perhaps that is why this delay in China responding to India's request or India seeking dialogue to disengage, de-escalate and ultimately de-induct. It's easier said than done, Nabila.
Absolutely, Gaurav. Thank you very much for joining us with those details. Gaurav Sawant there, tracking all those developments happening along the line of actual control. He's in Ladakh. In fact...
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.